On question number 35, it says the strength available is 1.1 grams in 4 milliliters. Prepare a 700 milligram dosage. So this is my available, and this is my order. So my proportion is going to be 1.1 grams over 4 ml is equal to 700 milligrams over x. And I would like to solve the proportion right now, but I can't because these do not match. So I need to get those units to match. So I'm going to convert the 700 milligrams into grams. And I do that by moving the decimal place 3 places to the left. And now I can solve the proportion. So it's 4 times 0.7 divided by 1.1. So 4 times, my calculator says low batteries. So that's not good. 4 times 0.7 divided by 1.1, and we get x is equal to 2.54. 54 repeating, they want us to round to the nearest tenth, so this will be 2.5 mLs. On 36 it says prepare 0.1 grams of an IM medication from a strength of 225 milligrams per milliliter. So anytime you see per ml or per any unit and you don't see a number there, it's implied to be a 1. So this is my available and this is my order. 225 mg over 1 ml is equal to 0.1 g over x. And again, I need to get these to match, so I'm going to convert that to milligrams by moving it over 3 places. So 100 milligrams. And now that those match, I can solve the proportion. So 1 times 100 divided by 225. And we get x is equal to 0.4 repeating, but they want us to round it to the tenths, so 0.4, and this is mLs. So make sure to always put the units on the answer, and again we know it's mLs because it needs to match the other units on the denominator.